1, 2. Amani, Alia, Ashika, Hitachi. Which question we have to solve, students? Tell me which question. How many we did yesterday? 2 or 3? 12, 13 is done. Which one you have to do? 14th? Okay, how do you solve 14, students? What is given in the 14th question? Can you respond? A television was sold. Selling price is equals to 60. Loss percent is equals to how much? What can we find in this using this? Cost price. Once you find cost price, yeah, then for how much it should have been sold. To gain how much percent? To gain, yeah, check your textbook, students. This is not visible. To gain how much? For how much it should have been sold. See, once you get this cost price, then we need to find selling price when how much percent gain is given. Gain is equals to 4%. Will you complete this? Will you revise it by yourself? I use cost price formula, students. Use cost price formula, direct formula. What is cost price direct formula? 100 divided by 100 minus 100 minus loss, right? 100 minus 4 is 96 into 9360. Reduce everything, you'll get cost price. Once you get cost price, use that cost price here and find selling price. What is selling price direct formula? When gain is given, 100 plus, very good. So 100 plus gain is 104 divided by 100 into whatever cost price you get. Okay, make a note of this, try it later. Calculate, you'll get the answer. Yeah, be quick. We no need to waste time. If it is similar questions, I'll skip. Completed, all of you made a note. Shall we try the next one? Do the calculation later, students. Do the calculation later. Fine. For 12, 13, 14, how many objects were there? How many products? For 12, how many products were there? Only one, right? Almira. For 13, one. Chair. For 14, only one. Oh. Next. Yes. For 15th onwards, how many? Two. Same. Shopkeeper had sold two fans, two products. Now, first product, second product. Shopkeeper sold 2 fans for how much? Okay, all of you will concentrate here. All of you will concentrate. First fan. What is the cost price for the first fan? Not cost price, selling price. Sold 2 fans for 1980. Okay, even for the second fan, the selling price is same, student. Second fan, write it one below the other. I don't have place here. I'm writing it together. Write it one below the other. Selling price. How much is selling price? 1980. Next, read the next part of the sentence. Tell me what should I write? 15th question. On one hand, he gains 10%. On one he gained. On first fan, how much did he gain, students? 10%. While on the other, he lost. Okay, calculate what? Calculate on the old transaction, right? Old transaction. Loss is equals to 10%. Stop writing. Look at the screen, students. Loss is 10%. We need to find in the old transaction what we need to find, whether it is gain percent or loss percent. All of you understood the question? Did you understand the question? Read the question once. All you're doing it in the same method, right? Okay. Look at the screen, students. Stop writing. Now I'll explain. First fan, second fan. We need to find gain and loss. What is gain or loss formula, students? What is gain? Gain by into 100. If you want to find gain, what is gain formula? Very good. SP minus CP. What do you mean by this, students? SP minus CP. We have two products. So how many SPs are required? Can you see two SPs are there? So what I have to write here? Total selling price. How much is total selling price? You have to add 1980 plus. Yes. Add 1980 plus 1980. All of you. First tell me what is total SP. Don't write it. Don't write anything. Just calculate and tell me. 3960. To find gain. Yeah, what is the last question they have asked us? In this question, what we need to calculate? Gain or loss on the whole transaction. Whole meaning is for both total transaction. If you want to find gain or loss, we need gain or profit. Loss. What is loss formula? Cost price minus selling price. So whether to find gain percent or loss percent, what are the two important things we need to find? Cost price and selling price. Selling price is given here. For both selling price is given. What is missing then? Very good. Use cost price. What is the direct formula for first fan? If you use cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 plus gain, right? 110 into 1980. Yes, calculate. Close all the notes, students. Close your notes. Concentrate on what we are doing. Next, cost price is equals to. For loss, what's the formula? 100 divided by 100 minus loss. 100 minus 10 is 90 into 1980. Calculate this, and I need you all to find the total cost price. Then tell me whether it is a profit or loss. See, such a simple question. Only thing, two products are given. You should understand that. Two products are given, two calculations required. Solve using the same method. Do it step by step. 1800. Okay, 9 ones. How many times 11 goes in this? 18. 1000. Yes, correct. 1800. Next one. Write it one below the other, student. First pan, second pan. Write it like that. Here I don't have space. I'm writing it one beside the other. Okay, 2200. Even Shasha, you're using the same method, right? Same formula, same method. Okay. Don't use other methods, students. You'll get confused. By the time final exam, you'll just forget everything. Use this method, you'll remember. Okay, 2200. What is total cost price? Below total cost price, write even total selling price 3960. So total cost price will be 4000. Is it loss or profit? Loss, right? Okay. Find the loss and also the loss percent. Okay, what's the loss, students? How much is the loss? The loss percent is 40. All the zeros cancel. Very good. 1% is the answer. All of you got 1% answer. So 1% is the loss, students. Loss is 1%. Overall loss. Can I check the answer? Those who have textbook. 15th question. Check the 15th. Yes, Kashika, why are you late? Okay, see, I've started. We have done one question. You want to continue or attend the what's the recording? Correct. 1% students. 15. Okay, Kashika, go through the 15 minutes recording. Two products, two calculations, students. If you're not able to understand the second one, just skip. 16th question. How many products? Tell me the 16th one, students. Shanti sold how many cameras? So camera one. I'll write C1. What is the cost price, selling price? What is given? You all have to tell everything now. What should I write? Is equals to 6555. Then what about camera two? Same or different? Same selling price. Read the next one and tell me what is given. What should I write? Hmm. On one, she lost 5%. What is the loss percent here? 5%. While on the other, she gained. So gain, or what should I write here? Gain is equals to 50. What do we need to find? All transaction, right? All. So I need you all to find two things, students. Total cost price, total selling price. Find the cost price. Kashika, how many products are there here? In the 16th question, how many products are they sold? Two products. Can you see for two products, two calculations? Were you there yesterday? Did you take down the formula, direct formula? You completed. See, write one below the other, Kashika. First finish camera one. Cost price. What is cost price formula? Can you tell me CP? When SP is loss is given, what's the formula, Kashika? No, 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 no. Where gain is given, this is loss. For loss, do you add or subtract? Minus loss percent into selling price. Tell me the second one for the second camera. Very good. 100 plus gain into selling. So calculate this, students. I want you all to find out total cost price value. Okay, 1310. Fine. Total selling price, total cost price. Two products, add both. Once you calculate this, check whether it's a loss or profit, students. That's it. We were solving one question. They'll combine two questions and give you. Okay. Maximum three students, maximum three products you'll get. Not for unit test, for midterm they might give, or they'll just give two values. That's it. Not more than that. So this is a tough calculation. Take your time and solve it. Okay, students done, completed. Okay, what's the answer you got? Is it lengthy to calculate? All of you calculated? Is it 6,900 cost price for first one? Yes, try the next one. Total selling price 6,555. 5 twos are 10, 23 times. 51311. Reduce 23 and 1311. What's the answer, students? What did you all get? The students respond. Why no reply? What's the answer? 5,700. Am I audible to all of you online? Can you respond? Tell me, students. If it is tough, I'll solve. If it is tough, I'll solve. What's the answer? 9 plus 7. At least calculate this. 12,600. And for how much did he sell? Total selling price? 13,110. How come 13,000? Sorry, 13,110, right? Yeah, 13,110. Loss or profit? Profit. Calculate profit percent. First calculate the profit, students. What's the profit? Is this 710 profit? Sorry, 510, right? What's the profit, students? 510. Okay, how did you calculate this? Tell me, Alia. What did you get? Okay, tell me the calculation. 0 gets cancelled. 1 minus 0 is? Look at the screen and tell me, Alia. What is 1 minus 0? Next. Tell me the next one. Hmm. You tell me the calculation. What is the next one? Will you write it like this? 00510? How did you calculate, Alia? Hmm? No, I'm asking, what did you write? How did you calculate? Hmm. See, this is basic, Alia, right? From fourth standard you all are doing. Okay. Ananya, join at 5 o'clock, Ananya. Class is at 5 today. After that. Okay, 510. Reduce it, students. Be quick. Two zeros gets cancelled. So we're getting it in decimal. What's the answer in textbook? Can you tell me the answer in textbook? 4 1 by 21? Okay, yes, calculate, students. You can directly, if you want, you reduce or calculate like this. 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 0. 4 1s are 4, 5. Yes. You get 6 remainder. Or reduce. Reduce 126 and 510. Okay. 2 2s are 4. How many times it goes? 250. 255, right? Okay, 255 and 63. Use 3 times table, students. Use 3 times table and reduce. 1, not 170. How come 10? 3 times table. Shasha, both you have to cancel using 3 times table. 3 8s are 24. 3 5s are 15. 85 times, right? 85 and 21. Now substitute, divide, students. 81. 4 times. You get 84 1. The answer is 4 1 by 21. Is it correct? Yes. Look at the calculation. See, by now you all should be fast in calculation. It's been 1 month. Yes. Almost, yeah, more than 1 month joining tuition. So all the basic calculation part I have taught you all. You should be very quick. Reduce divide, multiply. 4 1 by 21% is the answer, students. Done? All of you are completed? Okay, that's it. Next, see, 13, 14, 15, 16 is done. Other things are cancelled. That day I completed these questions, right? 3, 4, 5. Do you have it? Okay, look at the sixth question, students. We'll solve the sixth one. Mr. Arjit, do you have the sixth one? Is it there or cancel? Read the sixth one. Teacher didn't do. No, teacher wouldn't have done, but is it there or cancel for the test? There. Okay, we'll do it. Mrs. Arjit bought how many bags? 2 bags. Let me write bag one. Bag one for how much, students? Rupees? Yeah, bought is what? CP or SP? Bought meaning cost price 1,150, and bag two is also 1,150. She sold one of them at a gain of how much percent? Gain percent is reply all of you all. 6%. Okay, 6%. Other one? What about the other one? Loss of 2%. Isn't it the same question? Similar type of question, right? Loss percent is equals to 2%. Cost price is same, students. What is missing here? What do we need to find? Cost price is given, loss is given. What is missing? Selling, same question. Selling price. Find selling price for both. What's the formula for selling price? 100 plus gain percent. 100 plus 6 is 106 divided by 100 is 1150. Next, for this one, 100 minus 2%. Is it 2 or 4% for bag 2? Okay, 98. 98. 100 minus 2 is 98 divided by 100 into 1150. Be quick. We'll solve only one question. Five twos are 5, 23s are 2 ones are 2. Multiply 53 into 23, you'll get this. Multiply 29 into 43, 53 into 23. So understand the concept and solve it. It is this. This is a very easy chapter, students. 53 into 23, 1219. What is 49 into 23? Find the total cost price, selling price, loss, profit, whatever it is. Okay, what is 49 into 23? How much is 49 into 23, students? Why is nobody replying? Still trying? If you're still trying, I'll give time. If not, I'll complete it. What's total selling price? What did you get? 2346. Total cost price? 300. Profit or loss? Why loss? Why profit? What's the reason? Two students are telling loss, two students are telling profit. What's the logic, students? What is cost price? Cost price is 2300. Selling price? Which is greater? Selling price is greater, right? So gain is equals to how much? 46. Find gain percent. 46 divided by 2300 into 100. Two zeros gets cancelled. 23 goes two times. Gain percent is equals to how much? 2%. So we studied cost price formula, selling price. Based on that, they're giving questions. Whether it is cost price or selling price, you need to find. Done? Completed? Let me erase it. Okay, sixth. A grocer purchases 80 kg of rice and mixed it with 120 kg of rice at 20. Raju sold. Third, fourth, fifth students. We'll revise it later. These are big questions. We'll revise that before their exam. Okay. These questions, is it clear? Other questions 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Those are easy questions. Remember. Third, fourth, fifth. I've done those questions, but revision will do it later. What about these questions? All of you all understood all this, right? All are one question, student. Product. Yes. Selling price. Use the cost price. Use the formula. So I'm not going to revise this. This is already done. Everything is cancelled, right? Here, how many questions are there in discount? Next exercise, how many questions are there? First 5 questions. Okay, 10 minutes left. Even tomorrow I'll conduct a class. Okay, tomorrow we'll complete this. Is it clear, all of you all? Tomorrow also I'll conduct, students. Sunday and Monday I'll conduct. Tomorrow I'll complete this so that this chapter will get over, and I'll make you all revise tomorrow. Area and perimeter. Area perimeter. 10 minutes left. In this 10 minutes, we'll just quickly go through area perimeter formula. All the area perimeter formula. in 10 minutes. Perimeter and area of, what's the chapter's name? Perimeter and area of plane figures. What are the plane figures we studied? Different plane figures. Rectangle. Next, square. After that, what else, students? Parallelogram. Correct. Rhombus. See, always remember this order in the order which I am writing. Okay, remember this, students. Rectangle, square. Yes. No, no, that is later. That is next part. First, rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus. Then we have trapezium. Right? Trapezium. And we also study triangles. Then you get circles. Right? This is the order you have to remember. Rectangle first, square next, parallelogram, rhombus. The reason is rectangle and parallelogram are similar. Only thing their angles, the diagrams are straight and slanting, students. First, rectangle. What is perimeter of a rectangle? Yes. Okay. And even in the group, I sent you all a message. I told you all before attending the class to revise the formulas. Did you all revise? If not, you'll have time, students. After today's class, revise. Tomorrow we'll solve questions. What is area? Length into diagonal. Correct. L square plus B square. Yeah. Now tell me for square, perimeter, 4 into area. Okay. Right side square. Don't write side into side. For few questions, you get confused. Side square. Okay. Diagonal. Root 2. What is root 2 value? Very good. Root 2 is 1.414. Good, good. You all are remembering all these things. Parallelogram has two formulas, students. What are the two formulas? Basic. Yes, two formulas. Area is equals to B1 into H1. Remember? Base on height 1. And there is one more formula. B1 into H1 is equals to what? H. I'll explain. All this will solve tomorrow. We'll solve questions tomorrow. Next. What is rhombus? Rhombus is similar to square. Perimeter is 4 into side. Area. Very good. Yes. Rhombus, we have two formulas. One, sometimes they'll give altitude, students. Then, what's the formula? Base into altitude. Sometimes they'll give diagonal. If they give diagonal, half into D1 into. Very good. These four diagrams has how many pairs of parallel lines? How many pairs? Two pairs, right? Top and bottom. They have two pairs of parallel lines. Top, bottom, left and right. But trapezium has how many pairs of parallel lines? Only one. Very good. Exactly. One pair. So from this, it is very easy to find the area. Half into, what's the formula? Sum of. Yeah, very good. Sum of parallel lines. A, B, C. If I take A, B, C, D, in between those parallel lines, I'll take H. So the formula is half into sum of parallel sides. AB plus CD into height. H is nothing but the height between them. See, starting it was so difficult. Now almost all of you are answering. Okay, what about Malak, Mana? Do you all remember all these formulas? Okay, Saima, Kashika, Mani, Alia. Next. After this, perimeter concept. Circle. Semicircle concept, there are two formulas. First, just go through this, students. Any doubts in this? All of you remember all the topics? What is diagonal, perimeter, area? Okay, next. When it comes to triangles, what are the three types of triangle will you have? Scale in. No, no, always start with scale in. Scale in as none of the sides are equal. Next, isosceles and yes. So till now, scale in was there, students. Scale in, isosceles, equilateral. But I think none of you didn't have questions based on this. We have question on a right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? Any one angle will be equity. Then what's the area formula for a right angle triangle? Half into base into height. Base is BC. This is base. Height meaning is straight. Which is straight line here? AC or AB? AB. So according to this, the answer is half into, if base is 10, height is 8, the answer is half into 10 into 8. This is how you solve. This is a right angle, even this is the right angle. This one. Okay. This is a single right angle triangle, students. Single ABC. The formula is same. This entire value they'll give. They'll give BC is equals to 20. AC is AD. The height is 10. So what's the formula? Area is equals to half into, which is the base, students. What's the base here? BD or BC? BC, the entire thing. BC into what is height? Height is 80. So half into 20 into 10. This is how we calculate. Half into 20 into 10. And we solve the questions. Is it clear? Then there is one more exercise, students. One more exercise. In the same question, in the same chapter, there is one more exercise. You'll have like this. Remember the fourth exercise we solved like this? Third exercise. Okay, I'll ask you a question now. You need to find the area of this. How many sides does it have, students? Total how many sides it has? Tell me, this figure has how many sides total? See, CD is one side, right? One side. Then AC is second side. AE is third. BD is fourth. The quadrilateral. We need to find the area of quadrilateral. Does it look like rectangle, square, parallelogram? No, right? None of the figures, students. Then this one quadrilateral has how many figures? How many polygons? Does it have one right angle triangle? This right angle triangle here. That is what you have to mention. Triangle symbol, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what is area? Tell me, students. In triangle ABC, what is area formula? Area is equals to R to, yeah, which is base for the first triangle? BC, right? What is height? Height is equals to AB. Very good. Half into, what is BC value? Now, who can give me the answer for AB? This, what is the second triangle, second diagram look like? It's rectangle. I forgot to mention. They'll give you. Can you see is equal to sign? BD and AE, two lines are given, which means opposite sides are equal. And ED and AB, student, single line is given. If ED is 10 centimeter, what is AB? So 10. This is area. Next, tell me which one you have to take. Next one. In what you have to write in rectangle. Yes, in rectangle. Which is the rectangle here? AB, DE. In rectangle ABD, what's the area, students? What is area of rectangle formula? No, wrong. Area. Length into, calculate this, calculate both the areas and tell me the total value. This is how you solve. You'll get questions like this. Then you'll have two questions. You'll have like this, two right angle triangle and one square like this. This is a square. Use a square. Separate. Think it as a separate question. Think it as a separate question and solve it. One right angle triangle. Tell me students, how many times 2 goes when you reduce? 2 ones are 2 fours are. What's the area of a rectangle? 40 centimeters square. Area of a rectangle is 200. How much is 200? This is the statement you have to write. Don't write anything. Just go through. We'll practice tomorrow. So 40 plus 200. What's the answer? 40 centimeters. So the above diagram, it doesn't look like rectangle, square, nothing. That's the reason I told you all when I started in the beginning. You should remember all the types of diagrams. This doesn't look like rectangle or triangle, nothing. Two diagrams put together. Okay, so when I'm teaching, concentrate from the beginning. Rectangle, you should know what is rectangle, how does rectangle look like, how does a square look like, rhombus, trapezium, and all these things. Clear? Any doubts in this? Understood, all of you? Okay. All revise semi-perimeter formula, students. Will you revise semi-perimeter formula? Revise that and attend tomorrow. We'll solve this area perimeter. Point. What time shall I conduct tomorrow? Tomorrow is Sunday. Is it possible at 12 o'clock afternoon? 12? Yes, respond all of your students. 12 o'clock? Yeah. 12 to 1 or 1:30 I'll conduct. 1.5 hour. Okay, we'll try to complete it. Yes. That's it for today. You all can leave. Log in at 12 o'clock tomorrow. All of you all can leave.